How to use member ledger in Jade Accounting. Open Jade Accounting. Member ledger is a recording and totaling classified and summarized savings, loan, share capital, interest and insurance. Click on Co-op modules, and then click on Member Ledger. To view the list of members, just click Enter or just input the member name and click Enter to filter the names. Click on the name of the member to view their ledger. In Account Title, tick the check box to filter the records of the member ledger. Set the range of date to shorten or prolong the number of loans, share capital, loans receivable, etc.